Good morning, class. Please everybody stand up for a prayer. May I request Chelsea Gray to lead the prayer.
Tuko natin ang ating ulo at ipikit ang ating mga mata. Damhin natin ang presensya ng ating Diyos. O Diyos, mapangyarihan sa lahat, dakila at ama naming minamahal. Kami ay nagpapasalamat sa buhay na ipinagkaloob niyo sa amin. Gabayan niyo kami sa aming paaralan, bigyan niyo kami ng lakas at talino upang maisagawa namin ang aming mga gawain. Sa pangalan ni Jesus, Amen.
Once again, good morning, class. Before you take your seats, pick up the pieces of papers and cellophanes and arrange your chair properly. You may now sit down. Magpapakilala muna ako sa inyo, class. I'm Geraldine Arqueres, your teacher for this hour and in this subject. In everybody present, check if your seatmates are there. Very good. Everybody is present. Before we move to our new lesson for today, I want us to have an agreement for us to have a harmonious and organized flow of discussion. First, raise your hand when you want to ask question or when you want to speak to the class. Second, listen and be quiet when someone is talking in the front or sharing his idea in the class. Third, use positive language and positive attitude. Fourth, be respect of other ideas. Therefore, respect one another. Is it clear, class? Alright, very good. Before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have a short review. What is our past lesson all about? Yes, Diane? Very good. So, before we go on to our topic for today, let's have the 4 pictures in 2 words first. So, I have 4 pictures here and I want you to guess what the picture is all about. Is everything clear, class? What is the correct answer of these pictures? Okay, very good. It is tumbang preso or tumbalata or otherwise batolata. Okay, class. Let us now proceed. Let us have a brainstorming activity. I have here jumble letters and all you have to do is to guess what the correct word is. Everything is class? Everything is clear, class? Okay. So here it is. What is the correct word of these jumble letters? Raise your hand if who want to answer. Okay, all right. First, yes, Angela. Okay, very good. Can. Second, Diane. Okay, very good. Slippers. And third, Cherry Ann. Okay, very good. Chalk. Fourth, tumbang preso. Okay, very good. And the last, target games. Very good, class. In the activity we had, what are those words that was formed? Okay, very good. So, anyone who has an idea of what would be our lesson for today? Yes, very good. Our lesson for today is all about tumbang preso. Tumbang preso, it is an example of target games. Before our define what is tumbang preso, now let us discuss what is target games. Would someone to read the definition of target games for me? Yes, princess? Okay, thank you. Target games are games that involves the player in placing an object near or in a target to be able to get the highest possible score. The players must propel the object with much accuracy and control to hit the target. The player should also know how to protect the object to prevent the other players from scoring. Target games involve manipulative skills like throwing, tossing, rolling, catching, running, jumping, hopping, and stretching. And now, target games include tumbang preso. What is tumbang preso? Can you help please read, Joseph? Okay, thank you. Tumbang preso is a unique traditional game in the Philippines that is favorite among Filipino children. The name of this sport is derived from the Filipino word tumba, means to fall, and preso, which means prisoner, translating to fallen prisoner. The game is played on backyard streets and open areas. It borrows elements from tug and dodge ball to inculcate in those who play in strategic thinking and agility. If you are to play tumbang preso game, if you are to pl- if you are the if you are to play tumbang preso game, one requires an empty can which serves as preso, a throwing object such as slipper, and a circular barrier around the container, which can be thrown directly into the dirt or using charcoal or chalk. Tumbang preso is a target games. And what are the materials that is used in playing tumbang preso? Yes, Angela? Very good. Can, slipper, and chalk. So, I have here a video tumbang preso. We have eight rules and materials. First, the guard of the can is chosen by a game by throwing the slipper on the line who the farthest in the it, or the what we call taya. Second, the hitters should be ready to hit the can using a slipper, but they will never to cross the cross the toe line. Third, the slippers could retrieve if they could know down the can that it should be fast, so to put the can inside the circle and tug one of the heater. Fourth, the heater that's been tugged is the new it in the new taya. And 5, when the can is outside the circle, the heaters could knock down or kick the can. And 6, if the heaters is not able to retrieve his slipper, the it will get it and place it under the can inside the circle. Now, her or she is the new guard. And 7, if the heater is not able to retrieve his slipper, another heater could help him her to be safe. And, and the last and the number 8, enjoy the game. So now let's proceed to the benefits of playing tumbang preso. Like any other outdoor game, tumbang preso has intellectual and physical health benefits. Some of the importance of playing this sport includes the following. It provides the opportunity to exercise without stress. Tumbang preso is a fun and active game that gets kids moving without feeling pressure. They will be running around throwing and strategizing all while burning energy and improving basic motor skills like coordination and aim. Second, it enhance creativity and promote better socialization among kids. Tumbang preso is typically play in groups, encouraging teamwork and communication. Third, it can also help in building a connection between the children and their elders. This is so because these are the same games that are enjoyed by their parents and grandparents. Okay, it. That's it for tumbang preso. So any clarification or questions? Alright. So since you don't have a questions, I have a questions for you. Abstraction. Tumbang preso is a target games. And what do you think are the materials that is used in playing tumbang preso? Yes, Cherry Ann? Okay, very good. Can, slipper, and chalk are the materials in playing tumbang preso. Okay, very good. What is the importance of target games? Yes, Cynthia? Okay, very good. Target games are the activity. Target games are activities in which children send an object towards a target. Send an object towards a target. Target games are usually included in children's activities because it teach them new skills and strategies. Tumbang preso is a example of target games which uses slippers, can, and chalk. Tumbang preso uh, can be played by more than 2 players, but it has only one bet. So now please stand up, everyone. Since we cannot play tumbang preso here in our classroom, and since again tumbang preso requires a bigger space, I will just let you perform the different skills involved in playing tumbang preso. So imagine as if you are playing tumbang preso right now, on where you are standing and act the following skills that I will be saying. Are you ready? Alright. Okay, alright. First, show me the dodging. Okay, very good. Second, running. Third, hopping. And the last one, throwing. Throwing. Okay, good job, good job, class. You may sit down. Please give yourself a round of applause. Now, class, I want you to execute the following skills involved in playing tumbang preso. You may ask anyone in the house or any member of the family to help put a check mark on the appropriate column on how many times you try to do the skill. Perform well, do the skills for 6 to 7 times. Not perform well, do the skills for 4 to 5 times. Need improvement, do the skills for 1 to 3 times. Dodging, running, hopping, throwing, and catching. Any question? Is it clear, class? Okay, very good. Alright. To test your knowledge and understanding about our lesson, we will have a assessment. Which of the following is the equipment used in the game Tumbang Preso? Check the correct answer on your answer sheet. And for your assignment, in a short bond paper, paste 2 pictures of you playing Tumbang Preso. Make it creative.